The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla!
For the morning, as you know, I don't know the rules in the first and foremost. Glory be unto the Most High God. But watch your style, yeah. To the name, Thoughtful Thursdays. You see me? Think about this. I want to pre this. I wonder if I may alone pre this. You never wonder how Mr. Chin and Mr. Chang and Mr. Ying and Mr. Yang, they down a town, sell the same goods for the same price, side by side, and make money every day. You never wonder that? Watch you now. Make a black man go to boom and start sell orange a morning. And the next black man forward outside him with a stall. Oh Jesus, be argument. Water splash, lime a ring out like clothes. Who not say Isla splash, I say over fling on. But now I see the orange peel cause I impeel it from yesterday and dog, more time we say people are a problem and we are a problem, you know. We as a nation, as a people. You see it, it's like we don't like one that we like everybody else except yourself. You see it? Yeah man, more time more we analyze self and assist self and know say sometimes we are the problem. You see me? Boom, we are play ball. Hard tackle go on, man get kicked down. You see me? Instead of man just take up a man and say, yo, you don't know in a ball, you're good, bloop, bloop, oh you got no, man I say. Oh yeah dog, you know say the boy kick my dog and come like my foot used to feel like it got broke. Yeah, the next man now. Yeah, dog, to your foot twist, you know, I think it's going to pop in a dog. I not take that in a dog. I not take that. Start say, hey boy, wait till man. Yeah, the idiot now we kick down the man. If you just say, yo dog, you know, say, a ball game we have played, dog, what kind of play that you play? Oh, my dog kick it down already. I not take it back. Very. Bloop fight start man dead. Because so fast it up, I believe it or not, in a fight start man dead. You see who boots your youth, can't bring you back alive, you were dead. And you say, you idiot. Them Dave not give you a phone card much as a visit. When they're at jailhouse or up on the road or wherever you're there. You see me? More time for think before act. Because by the time you know it, a consequences that now. You mama, you. You sit down every day upon the same spot. You know, Lord Jesus Christ. It look like them are work upon me. Them are work upon your sight. I never know say you're on sight people are work upon you. You are more armed to yourself than people, brethren. Every day you get up, you sit down at the same spot and do nothing. But you expect for rich and prosperous. That the hack spot up on my foot, you know, if I want it there and it not go in, I see them all hook on. Beard and not beard, the skin good. You know. Achoo. Because I see the right, this look like it's all, achoo. You must chain, but achoo. Move to man and go look something for the man. I walk on if you go looking at nothing now for the, you know. Yeah man, some more time we say people this and people are fighting and people are that. We are the full self, we not do nothing for ourselves, dog. And we are looking for people to do the world for, dog. You see me, dog? Yeah man, more time we are the biggest enemy to ourselves. You see me? So pray that, dog. You see me? Yeah man, I'm not saying enough wicked out people out there, you know, with the wicked stuff, you know, but more time we are a problem, dog. Analyze self.
Viewers and subscribers, you heard that? Analyze self. I think it is important some of the times to look at some of the things that we have done and some of the things that we plan to do and try and see if we can correct certain mistakes. You see me, and try to see if we can make sure that we don't make any mistakes. You understand me? But you know, some of the times, you know, mistakes do happen. Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect is it. Now, I agree with some of the things that this person said in this video that I just presented to you. You see me? Yeah. I agree with a lot of the things that this person said in this video. You see? Viewers and subscribers, let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that this person said in this video. You see me? Yeah, this person said something about Thoughtful Thursdays, you see me? And this person tries to give some words of inspiration to persons out there, you know, trying to let persons know that they should look within themselves and think about the things that they are doing and other things as well. You see me? Let me know what you think about this video, all right? I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, but before I present any of those videos to you, I'm going to present a picture to you, my viewers and subscribers. And this picture that you see right here, this picture shows some things that are known as mangoes. You see me? Yeah, some person just say mango are mangoes. You see me? However, I want you to take a look at this picture and tell me what type of mangoes this picture shows. You see me? Yeah. Let me know what type of mango you think this picture shows, alright? And I'm going to move on to another video, alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video had been out there on social media for some time now, you see? And according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video shows a person who did something that is called a technology poem. You see me? Some places on social media, some persons said what the person had done is considered to be lyrics put together. You see me? And other things have been said about this video on social media. You know, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you, and you can also let me know what you think about this video. You can let me know if you think the person had done a technology poem or not. You see me? You can also let me know if you think what the person had done is just put lyrics together or what. You see me? Let me know what you think about this video. Alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Come like a open sesame. You don't believe that? You want me a chat? You better jump on your laptop. Any information where you want, you get it right from the spot. You talk about that, you know, you about WhatsApp. You can text it out money and send video to your honey. You don't have to take a second look for reach from Facebook. And this you can create your own page and get center stage. Me not tell you lie, nothing wrong if you have a new program, just install it for Instagram. You can make penetration and meet a lot of other nations. I man suggest technology and make progress. If you have anything of interest, just put it on Pinterest. The world depend go slow. Most people are searching the logo so they end up on IMO. You see type? It is one of a type. And they say now if you have no trace and meet at a race and talk face to face. A tablet is not to work. It is just like a wallet in your pocket. It your information like a rocket. You see when you use your smartphone, you not use it alone. So nobody go like you no king sit down on the throne. Touch screen everyone dream of the latest fan the touch screen everyone dream of the latest fan the scene. Touch screen to up like a laser beam and relay information like a magazine. Go up on YouTube and that you for use. YouTube coming like the daily news. Me not tell a lie, you not take the bribe when you keep a thumb drive. You keep everything alive. You not run no risk with your memory chip, you keep everything from plastic. Technology getting broader, most people getting smarter, so they enough to use Twitter. And they say you can create your own event and your advertisement, and that's my argument. Microsoft create their own document, turn the page and create your own sentiments, that's more than a compliment. Technology make one step ahead, that's why man get to lean back and hold a meds. Microchip of the liquid so small, I can't believe it. Devil, you look so frail. Come on from my trail, just send your email.
Man! Blood clot! Only in Jamaica alone they can find him something nowhere else.
Don't sell it, you know, don't sell it.
Viewers and subscribers, on a real, if it was up to me, I would call what the person had done in the video that I just presented to you a technology poem. Yeah, it sounds good. I like how it sounds, you see me? Yeah. But anyways, you know, each and everyone to their own opinions, you understand? So you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you see me? Yeah, you can let me know what to think about some of the things that the person had said in the video that I just presented to you, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video, alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, I am going to leave this video with you. Yeah, I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a female singing and dancing in front of a bird. And many comments have been made about this video on social media. Some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons found what had happened in this video to be amusing. And this video is not really a long video, viewers and subscribers, you know, and I'm presenting this video to you so that you can take a look at this video and you can also let me know what you think about this video. You can also let me know what type of bird you see in the video that I'm about to present to you, alright? I hope you understand some of the things that I'm saying. Alright, anyways, here I'm going to leave the video with you, and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Go again.
Hey, go shawty, it's we gotta party like this.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla.
You are watching
Dancehall skilla. 10.